Welcome Color Tune Paradise. Today drawing Eskimo girl. Come and join with us. Let's draw.
Start by drawing a round face. Add a fluffy hood around the head. Add two braids on each side of the face. Keep the braids neat and simple. Sketch the long body under the head. Draw the legs with warm boots. Add arms with mittened hands on both sides. Add big eyes, eyebrows, and a small nose. Draw a smiling mouth. Decorate the dress. Add patterns in the center. Decorate the fur edges, sleeves, hem, and hood. A cute Eskimo girl. Draw a round face. Sketch a fluffy winter hat or hood around it. Draw the body wearing a long dress or coat. Draw the face. Draw big, shiny eyes with cute lashes. Add eyebrows, a little nose, and a happy smile. Add the legs with boots. Draw the arms and mitten-covered hands.
Thank you for watching the video.